Sabi nga ni Moises sa mga tao, do not be afraid, stand firm, and you will see the deliverance the Lord will bring you today. The Egyptians you see today will never see again. Will never see again. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. So kapatid, ano yung nakikita mo? Nagkakaroon ka ng fear. Huwag mong i-entertain yung fear sa puso mo. Walang maidudulot na maganda ang takot na yan sa iyo. Kapatid, gusto lang ni Lord na mas paniwalaan mo yung word ni Lord sa buhay mo kaysa word na binibigay sa iyo ni Satan. The narrative challenges believers to trust rather than fear and to rely on God rather than own capabilities. Hindi ito laban mo lang, laban ito ni Lord na pinagwagian niya na. So ano mong fear yon? Natural yon, manafeel natin, but in the end, may you choose to have faith rather than fear.